going on YouTube? Got a little surprise. If you didn't already know. My boy Boss over here. He got his hair, man. He's a boxer. Show y'all the color on the right. So cool. My nigga. Tell him what's up, Boss. So you about like 9 or 10 weeks right now, so I gotta find out, but somewhere around in there. So me and him. It's like having a baby. Really, you gotta clothe them, feed them, take them out, spend time with them, watch them. But it's fun, I like it. Boss. I named him Boss. Wanted to name him Hen, but I don't want to do that. So came up with Boss. But chilling. We not fussing and whining. They're right. Yeah. Still trying to play it cool, sound like the man, but I was scared to death, my nigga, my stomach turned, talking shit knowing damn well I was a virgin, fuck, and I ain't never did this before, no, 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 I ain't never did this before, no, and I ain't never did this before, no, and I ain't never did this. You know that feeling when you know you finna bone for the first time. I'm hoping that she won't know this is my first time. I'm hoping that my shit is big enough to fuck with. And most of all, I'm praying God don't let me bust quick. I'm watching pornos trying to see just how to stroke ride. Practice putting condoms I'm in a crib now, nigga. I'll be back. Some more updates on him. How you doing? Growing and all that. Want to show y'all my boy Boss real quick. Alright, Dan.